Samson. Beautiful.
Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. Today I have a little bit of an unplanned video. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me Disneybound video for Dapper Day. I was actually planning on taking a break this week and not uploading a video, and I actually wasn't even gonna go to Dapper Day, although I did originally plan it. But then last minute I was like, you know what the heck? I'm gonna go, and why not just film a get ready with me to show you guys how I'm gonna dress and do my makeup. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I already have my foundation on and I primed my face before that too, so let's start with the eyes. Oh yeah, and by the title of this video, it's Cinderella themed, yeah! I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and I'm gonna prime my lids first. And getting in with my BH Cosmetics palette, which I broke off the lid. Actually, let's put this one on hold for a bit, we'll come back. Because I wanna do a silver to blue eye for Cinderella, I'm instead gonna take this like very shimmery gray color that I have, and I'm gonna apply it to the inner corners of my eyes. To give you a little bit of backstory, I've been a little bit crazed with work and planning this other video that I've been doing, dedicating a lot more time to it. So it's just been a little bit busy, and I've been planning on going to Dapper Day like since the last Dapper Day. And because life and because I was busy, I ended up deciding like maybe 2 weeks ago that I wasn't gonna go. But then again, here I am. And I decided not to go because I really wanted to plan my outfit out right. So I wanted to originally do a Cinderella, not Cinderella, that's what I'm doing today. I wanted to originally do It's a Small World Dapper Day, and I was looking for fabric first to either make a skirt or a dress. Couldn't find anything that I liked. Now I'm gonna go in for reals with my BH Cosmetics and take, let's see, what matches my glitter? I'm gonna take like a medium blue and apply that to the outer corner, or to the middle, sorry, to the middle of my lid. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm not gonna be able to make it. It's not realistic. I don't have the time to make anything this go around. So instead, I'm just gonna buy a dress. And I looked and I looked and I looked. First I looked for like specific It's a Small World dresses or skirts. And there are not too many out there, at least not any that I liked. And two, they were super expensive. And I was like, I am not about to pay that much money for right now. Like, I'm trying to save for many other reasons. So I was like, you know what, maybe I'll just find like a plain dress that I could pass off. And I don't know, that didn't end up working. And so yeah, I was just like, I'm just too busy. It's not gonna work this go around, and I'm just not gonna go. But then I started getting FOMO yesterday. And I was like, you know what, I need to go. Okay, now I'm gonna take the dark blue navy-ish that we have right here. But I probably shouldn't take this thick brush. I'm gonna take a thinner brush that has a little bit more precision, and I'm gonna apply that to my crease, to the outer crease. Let's see how this turns out. I'm telling you guys, this video is totally unplanned. I'm just a mess this morning, but I know I wanna go, and so we'll see how this look turns out. You guys are experiencing this with me. I don't know, I just figured, do you always really need to be super planned out? Like, I know a lot of people that I know really plan it out, myself included, like put a lot of thought into their outfits when they Disneybound, especially for Dapper Day. And I really wanted to wear, I had like this vision in mind, and sometimes like when you hold something like to a certain standard, at least I'm that way, I'm just like, it's either that way or I just won't do it. But then I was like, you know what, why does it have to be like that? I should just go and have fun. I'm just planning on going for a couple of hours, and yeah, let's just see. Let's just have fun. Okay, now that I've put that darker blue up here, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. I was looking through my closet, trying to think of what I could potentially have to wear. And lo and behold, I came up with Cinderella. So that's what we're doing. And also, isn't it so fitting that Cinderella wasn't planning on going to the ball, and I wasn't planning anymore on going to Dapper Day. So, you know, the stories, the themes kind of match, it makes sense. And ta-da, here we are. Now let's go in with the glitter, I'm taking the Jcat Lion Silver eye glitter with my NYX Glitter Glue Primer. I'm gonna prime my eyes and then I'm gonna add them. Now I'm gonna take my other Jcat glitter. This one's like a light blue. It's called Winter Icicle. And I'm gonna transition that into the blue, like from the middle out. And it's making a mess. Gotta love glitter. I'm gonna take this little black liner pencil, eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and then cover that up with some liquid liner. And you know what? I'm also gonna take some of that navy and drag it down to my bottom lash line. Brow time. I'm trying to do everything super fast because it is late in the day. And honestly, at this point, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it or what I'll be making it to, but we'll see. Hopefully the fairy godmother is on my side and we get there. Can't decide if I wanna put lashes on. For now, I'm just gonna do mascara. I do kind of wanna give my lashes a bit of a break because they've been going through a lot lately with this other video that I've been working on and whatnot. So I might just leave them, we'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna put some mascara on. Okay, now I'm gonna clean some fallout because God knows I have some. I'm gonna wipe that off and then do concealer. I'm also gonna try to clean up the eyeshadow all around so it could look a little bit more neat. I'm just gonna apply that right under for a cleaner look. Not, it kind of looks like you have super dark circles right under or like a black eye. Oh, and fun fact, I actually used to not be into blue eyeshadow. I actually kind of hated it, and that's probably just because I didn't know how to wear it, or maybe like my makeup palette wasn't as developed, but I used to be like totally against doing any type of blue eyeshadow on myself. The other colors, yeah, sure, I'll try them, but something about blue, I was always just kind of like, ugh. Okay, so please excuse my super loud water that is running, but up next we are going to contour. Just to bring a little bit of color back in because I really washed myself out with this foundation. I don't know what I want to do for blush because this already has like a lot of color and is calling a lot of attention. I'm gonna hold on the blush for now too and move right into lips. I'm taking my NYX lip liner in the color pink, nude pink, and I'm gonna line my lips and fill them in a little bit. I don't want it to be too bright either here because we already have a lot of color here as well. And then also, you know, Cindy has those very rosy, toned down pink lips. I mean, not that the eyes resemble at all how she looks in the film, but whatevs. And then I'm taking my NYX Lip Lingerie. It's a tannish off pink in the color Push Up, and I'm gonna put that towards the center of my lips, fading it out. Should I do some blush? Yes, no, maybe just a little bit. I really don't want to go overboard, so I'm just gonna take this Strictly Chic Peachy blush and like boop, boop. Alrighty, now we can move right into the hair. Let me zoom out. That's the opposite. So this is of course for Dapper Day, which is already everyone's Disneybounding with a vintage twist. And then, you know, in honor of it being Cinderella and 50s style, I'm going to do some bumper bangs. I'm gonna take some hair at the front and part it into a sort of V. I'm gonna start like somewhere right here, like from the arch of this brow to this one, and brush it out. If I can find my brush, it's over here. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse, and this is just to tame the frizzies a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my hair rat and wrap it in, taking this bottom half of the hair, wrapping it around, and then curling the rest up. I don't know that Cinderella had bumper bangs in the movie. They kind of look like them a little bit. Now that it's curled up, I'm gonna take my bobby pins, my Ricky Booby pins, and pin that into the sides of my hair. You wanna try your best at hiding the pins, of course. Now I'm gonna take this hair and like push it out in order to cover the rest of the hair wrap, because obviously you don't wanna show that. All right, I kind of just want to wear my hair like this now. So now, Cinderella had a bun. I've seen some folks that do like some really cool beehive things and whatnot contraptions, pinned up curls in their hair. I don't have the time for that today, to be quite honest. So we're just gonna go with a really quick and easy bun. Still gonna try to make it cute. I'm applying some more mousse to tame down the frizzies. I'm in a rush here today. I really want to make it to Dapper Day. And I don't know that I want to go for a super neat bun. I may almost do something a little bit messier. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull some baby hairs on the sides a little bit and then put it up into a pony, into a high pony. In order to cover up that rubber band, that elastic, I'm gonna take a strand and wrap it around. And then I'm gonna pin it in to place with a bobby pin. Now, for the rest of the hair, Cinderella's bun looks like it's going in, probably because it's kind of like a beehive or something. Like I said, I don't have time to get fancy with that today. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of brush out my hair from the back a little bit. It gets so tangly from down here and super frizzy, but whatever. We're just gonna make it work today. Maybe take a little bit of mousse and tame those frizzies. And then I'm gonna take the hair and just push them in like so. Can you see that? I'm gonna take some bobby pins and just kind of pin in that roll into place so that it doesn't fall out. Not the cleanest hairdo, but you know what? It's gonna get us to the ball. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All that is left to do is now just tame some of those frizzies, dark-haired girl problems, these sideburns and whatnot just really come through. So I just wanna tame those up. Now the very last thing that you need is the headband. And this one I DIY'd last night when I realized I was gonna go very last minute. It was a silver headband that I got from the Dollar Tree and I just painted it blue with some nail polish. And there you go, yes, Cinderella. All that is left to do is just go change, so I'll be right back. And so this is the final look. I put on some earrings. These are actually vintage. They were passed down to me by my grandma. She bought these, I believe, in the 80s or something like that. So they're 80s vintage. The choker I actually just DIY'd with some black ribbon and some Velcro. My blouse is from Amazon, as well as my gloves, and my skirt is from Kohl's, which funnily enough is from their Cinderella collection that they released a few years back. And then my shoes are these sparkly shoes that I borrowed from my mom, which I feel help pass off, you know, the glass slipper idea. They're not necessarily vintage looking, but the last time I went to Dapper Day, I wore these really cute vintage looking heels, but my feet were dead. So I've done my due diligence and I just want to be comfy this go around. Comfy Cinderella. So we get to go. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this super quick improvised video. Like I said, I wasn't planning at all on doing this. I wasn't planning on having a video today. I wasn't planning on going to Dapper Day at all, but here we are. Fairy Godmother came through. If you like this video, subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you back on here. As always, my friends, sending you all a super duper big virtual hug, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, toodaloo, bye-bye.